Plant FAQs. Dryopteris wallichiana. Dryopteris wallichiana. Unveiling the majesty of the wood fern. For fern enthusiasts like myself, Dryopteris wallichiana holds a special place. This magnificent fern, with its architectural form and lush foliage, adds a touch of elegance and drama to any garden. But beyond its beauty, there's a certain mystique surrounding the Wallich's fern. Here, I'll answer some of the most common questions I get about this captivating plant. Dryopteris wallichiana, also known as the Wallich's fern, is a deciduous fern native to temperate and subtropical regions of Asia, Europe, and the Americas. It boasts stunning, arching fronds that unfurl from a central crown, resembling fiddleheads in their early stages. The fronds mature into a rich, mid-green with a distinctive dark brown or black hairy rachis, central stalk. This fern thrives in shady or partially shaded areas, making it ideal for woodland gardens or borders. In the right conditions, it can reach a majestic height of 1.2 meters, 4 feet, and spread up to 0.8 meters, 2.5 feet. How to care for Dryopteris wallichiana. Planting a Dryopteris wallichiana is a straightforward process. Here's what you need to know. Soil. This fern prefers moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Amending your existing soil with compost or composted manure will create the perfect environment. Light. Partial shade is ideal. Avoid placing your fern in direct sunlight for extended periods, as this can scorch the fronds. Watering. Consistent watering is key, especially during the growing season and hot weather. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Fertilizing. Generally, fertilizing isn't necessary. However, a light application of a balanced organic fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the fern to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Is Dryopteris wallichiana fast-growing? Dryopteris wallichiana exhibits moderate growth. You can expect it to gradually increase in size over time, adding a touch of permanence to your garden. Is Dryopteris wallichiana winter hardy? This fern is considered fully hardy in most temperate climates, tolerating temperatures down to USDA hardiness zone 4, -34 degrees Celsius or -30 degrees Fahrenheit. Does Dryopteris wallichiana have any special needs? Beyond consistent watering and protection from excessive sunlight, Dryopteris wallichiana requires minimal care. Can I grow Dryopteris wallichiana indoors? While it can be grown indoors, replicating its ideal growing conditions can be challenging. If you choose to keep it indoors, provide bright, indirect light, and ensure high humidity levels. Dryopteris wallichiana versus other ferns. Many gardeners compare Dryopteris wallichiana to other popular ferns. Here's a quick comparison. Dryopteris erythrosora, Japanese painted fern. Both ferns share a love of shade and moist soil. However, Dryopteris erythrosora boasts a captivating coppery red hue on its new fronds, while Dryopteris wallichiana remains a classic green. Ethereum niponicum, Japanese painted lady fern. Similar to Dryopteris erythrosora, the Japanese painted lady fern has delicate, bicolored fronds. Dryopteris wallichiana offers a more robust and architectural presence in the garden. Osmunda regalis, royal fern. This majestic fern boasts a statuesque presence, rivaling Dryopteris wallichiana in size. However, Osmunda regalis prefers consistently moist soil and may struggle in drier conditions. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific garden design and preferences. The allure of Dryopteris wallichiana. Dryopteris wallichiana is more than just a fern. It's a statement piece for your garden. Its architectural form and lush foliage add a touch of drama and sophistication to shady areas. With proper care, this fern will reward you with years of beauty and elegance. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance yet captivating addition to your garden, consider welcoming the majestic Dryopteris wallichiana.